God. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Turn around. Get up the hill. Turn up the hill. Up. There's Dave. Working on the yard. There's my mom. And Billy. Oh my God. That's the end of my... Wait. No, I gotta drive it back down the hill and then up the hill and then back in the garage. Oh my God, this is fun. Up the hill. Up the hill. So fast. Oh my God. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy. Oh. Hello. Hey. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but this is going really fast. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. For a lawnmower, this is fast. I gotta get it in the garage. Hold on. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna end this video real quick. Hold on. I gotta get it in the garage just for a second. Hold on. I gotta set it down first. Sec. No, I gotta get on in the road. On the grass. In the driveway. Oh my God. Ugh. Well, as you can see, I just rode that lawnmower all around there. That's the video for oh, it's quiet now. That's the video for today. And that's it. That's it for today. We're not finished with Yard Makeover 3. I'll make that next week. Sorry. Alright, see ya.